What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. And you guys might be wondering, where am I? So right now I'm at Umiam Lake. You can see right behind me the beautiful lake, and the time is 8:38. Last night I stayed here at a friend's place, so right now I'm waiting for my friend Dheeraj to come, and the plan is to explore the lake. He has arrived. Here's my bag, and yeah, here's Dheeraj. Yo buddy, helmet aniso? Hey, moza. Camera? Oh yeah, let's go then. Okay. Olap roko backpack le lo. So guys, we have finally made it to the destination, and yeah, here's the view of the lake.
When I sit and think back on everything, I wouldn't change one single memory. But with time I found this is one I'll count. When you walked away from me. Far as I can tell, you both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken open hearted. I can't count.
We have come back from Umiam Lake. We are on the way home, and we saw this cool place. Actually, I've been here before with my friends. Some dope memories with this place. We'll be here for like 10 to 20 minutes, and we'll leave for Guwahati. That's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys like it. I know it's a short one. I'll be coming up with more such stuffs, and yeah. And if you guys like the vlog, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, which helps me a lot. Show some love in the form of likes and comments, share. So yeah, signing off from Union.